In the sun-scorched and restless forest of the Middle East, a powerful lion representing global powers like the US sought complete control over the region's divided tribes. To secure its domination, the lion called upon its cunning ally, the fox, a shrewd local strategist that gave the clear order: break the herds apart, weaken their unity, and bring their strength to me, or else you will be next. The fox, sly and persuasive, approached the donkey, who wandered along in the desert. Here, the fox symbolized Israel, a strategic regional player, while the donkey represented the fragmented Arab nations and the Palestinian factions, weary from endless internal conflicts. The lion will offer you peace and honor, the fox said. Come with me to its council. Exhausted by constant fighting and longing for peace, the donkey agreed. But as they got closer to the lion's den, the fox let out a sharp whistle. Suddenly, violence erupted. The donkey's allies were thrown into chaos and shattered. It was like history repeating itself, reminiscent of the 1967 Six-Day War that changed the region forever. The donkey escaped, wounded and sad, crying out, "You tricked me. This conflict has only turned my people against one another." The fox, unbothered, replied, "This was necessary for your rise. Come back, and the lion will reward you." After hesitation, the donkey returned, but the fox's games grew crueler. He turned factions like Fatah and Hamas against each other, instigated disputes over resources between regions, and supported rival groups to ensure the land remained divided. The fox didn't stop there. It quietly approached the donkey's key leaders, using threats and promises to manipulate them. It was like shadowy games that outside powers often played in this unstable region. The donkey fled again, its strength further diminished, protesting, "Your promises are poison. You've turned my leaders into your slaves." The fox simply smiled. "This was to secure your position. Trust me once more, and peace will come." Naively, the donkey returned again, but the fox's plan grew even more devious. It picked coastal villages against inland towns, set religious groups against secular ones, and kept old grievances alive, all to ensure no one could unite against him. In the end, under the fox's guidance, the lion roared mightily. It tore the donkey's land into pieces, drowning out all voices with arguments and a war. The lion praised the fox. "Well done! Now dismantle the donkey completely. Bring me its heart, lungs, liver, and brain, so we can continue our rule." The fox cut up the donkey's body but secretly swallowed its brain, which stood for unity and wisdom, giving only the rest to the lion. The lion asked angrily, "Where is its brain?" The fox bowed its head and replied softly, "It has no brain, my king. If it did, why would it keep coming back to your den after being deceived again and again?" The lion was silent for a moment, then slowly nodded. "How true."